Hey everybody, I am Rahul Raj from Navratna University. So my project name is EyeSpeech. After seeing my project, you will understood that why my project name is EyeSpeech. So the main idea behind this project is that to write the text with the help of our eyes. So let us do quick review of our project, that is EyeSpeech. This project is created on Jetson Nano kit. Before running this project, let me explain you that here when we will run the code, there will be three window pop out. First one will be of camera, second will be of keyboard, and third will be of board. So camera will be detect your eyes, and according to when you will blink the eye, then key will be pressed from the keyboard, and pressed key will be displayed on board. So let us run the project this program and see what is the output. So here keyboard is divided into two parts, that is left and right. So when we will move our eyeball towards the left, then left keyboard will be pressed. So let me press E key. So to press key, we will suddenly close our eyes. Now move toward the right keyboard.
Right.
So here now I want to press Y key. So when Y will be light up, so we will close our eyes. Now let us move toward left
Left.
keyboard. Now here I is pressed. I what
Left.
is written. Now to exit from this program, we will wait for this key.
I, I, I.
So as we move exit from the program, so it will convert the text into audio form and it will be played three times. So I hope it is clear that why my project name is EyeSpeech. Thank you.